This is the eSIM I used for Saudi Arabia, especially for going to pilgrimage. Primarily I bought this so it can be used for WhatsApp video calling. I will leave a link in the description below to purchase this, as at the moment WhatsApp calls and video calling is restricted in Saudi. Make sure that your smartphone is compatible for an eSIM. Now WorldSIM have many plans that may suit you when travelling to Saudi Arabia. I found it to be the cheapest compared to other eSIM companies out there, depending upon the country you're travelling. Go to worldsim.com, type in your country you're travelling to. For me, it's Saudi Arabia. I chose the 10GB package that lasts 30 days, which is more than enough. This also enables 5G network and you can use the hotspot too. Click on your package, click on buy. Apply your discount code, which is ZRK-reviews, and you'll get 10% off. Fill out the details, especially your number to receive the eSIM. You can pay by PayPal or card. After the successful transaction, you will receive an email and WhatsApp message on how to install. I activated my eSIM a day before I left UK, making sure all went well. To switch on your eSIM, go to Settings, Connections, and click on SIM Manager. You can see I already have an eSIM installed. So once you arrived in Saudi, switch this on. Try not to use the airport Wi-Fi just in case a taxi driver or anyone else wants to call you or you wish to call. Make sure to turn off your primary SIM card, which is the country you came from. So I've turned off my UK number SIM card. When you get your QR code for your eSIM, just scan it. You must also turn on data roaming for your eSIM to work. In Connections, go to Mobile Networks, switch on data roaming. And also turn on your network to 5G. You can contact WorldSIM by WhatsApp or email for any support. Once you have arrived at the airport, switch on your WorldSIM eSIM. Remember, try not to use the airport or hotel Wi-Fi as they won't work for WhatsApp calls or video calling. You can use the hotel Wi-Fi to browse online, watch videos or connect to your smart TV. Overall, I had good internet connections and speeds throughout my journey. Works for the Nusuk app, WhatsApp, Kareem taxi service and much more. I did carry out video calling in Masjid Al Haram in a large crowd, also right at the top of the clock tower. Still, I was getting good connections and I was able to do hotspot too. I'm happy with their service and I will be going ahead with them again. Stay tuned. Peace.